Good day. I am Danica C. Ganaganag, taking up Bachelor of Science in Mathematics at Negros Oriental State University. So today, I am going to discuss three topics, and these are Introduction to Normal Distributions, Standard Normal Distributions, Distributions, Finding Probabilities. So I will discuss these three topics in different videos, so please subscribe this channel to see more educational videos, and please like the videos and share them with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started. The first topic that I will discuss is the introduction to normal distributions. The objective of this topic is to understand the mean and the standard deviation. So, what is normal distribution? Normal distribution, also known as the Gaussian distribution. It is a probability distribution that is symmetric about the mean, showing that data near the mean are more frequent in occurrence than data far from the mean. So in graph form, the normal distribution will appear as a bell curve, and the graph of a normal distribution is called the normal curve. So there are properties of a normal distribution. Normal distribution is a continuous random variable that has a uniform distribution on the interval. Also, normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution in which the random variable x can take on any continuous value, because there are infinite values that x could assume. The probability of x taking on any one specific is 0. The normal distribution is one example of a continuous probability distribution. So there are also other properties of normal distribution that you must remember. First, the mean, median, and mode are equal. Second, the normal curve is a bell-shaped and is symmetric about the mean. Third, the total area under the normal curve is equal to 1. Fourth, the normal curve approaches but never touches the x-axis as it extends farther and farther from the mean. And lastly, between standard deviation minus mean and standard deviation plus mean in the center of the curve, the graph curves downward and the graph curves upward to the left of standard deviation minus mean and to the right of the standard deviation plus mean. So the points at which the curve changes from curving upward to curving downward are called the inflection points. So in addition, a normal distribution can have any mean and any positive standard deviation. The mean gives the location of the line of the symmetry, while the standard deviation describes the spread of the data. So, for example, in the first example, the mean is 3.5 and the standard deviation is 1.5. So therefore, it has a greater standard deviation. The second and the third example has the greater mean because the means are 3.5 and 1.5, but the standard deviations are 0.5. Now, I will give you two more examples. You can pause this video to answer, and I will give you the answer after 5 seconds. So, are you ready? Yes and no, you are ready. So, let's start. In number 1, curve A has the greater mean because the line of the symmetry of a curve A occurs at x is equal to 15. The line of the symmetry of the curve B occurs at x is equal to 12. And in number 2, curve B has the greater standard deviation because curve B is more spread out than curve A. So that's all for the first topic, and I hope you have learned something about this video. To know more about the normal distributions, subscribe to this channel and watch the second and third videos of this topic. Thanks for watching!